Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this polygel kit from Double Dip, which is also known as Bellavena. It is the Dazzling edition. First thing first, I like the box, it's really cute, and the holographic logo on it as well. The sides are holographic. Now in the box there is a paper that shows the different nail shapes and also a nail ruler as well, and that's really unique. I've never seen a polygel kit with this included. Then we have 6 tubes of polygels, but we will get to that a little later in the video. Next included is some instructions. Then there is a small box that includes a nail lamp, USB cord, 2 nail clips, rhinestones, slip solution, base coat and top coat, plastic dual forms, polygel brush and picker, tweezers, and a 100/180 grit nail file. And back to the 6 tubes of polygels, I'm going to be swatching them on a paper towel for y'all to see, and these glitter polygels are so gorgeous. If you're interested in this kit or any kit from Double Dip, you can use the code cherael20 to get some money off at checkout. These are all the beautiful glitters. I love all the polygels, but my favorite is the green and the blue polygel. So I will be using my practice hand for this design, and I already prepped and applied the nail tips to the practice hand. Now I'm applying base coat and then curing for 30 seconds. So I wanted to use the nail ruler to see the length of my nail tips. I'm using the slip solution provided. I would have preferred if the slip solution came with those stoppers so that if I happen to knock the slip solution over, all wouldn't spill. So this nail bed color I'm going to use is this light pink polygel from Bellavena. This polygel came in the classic edition polygel kit. So I'm just placing a bead of that on the nail bed and then patting it in place and making sure I have a neat cuticle line. This polygel was really stiff at first, so it was a little difficult to mold. It took a while for me to get used to it. I don't know why I was doing all of that. Next, I just fan out the polygel to the tip area, and this as well was difficult to do because of how stiff the polygel was, but I prefer a stiff polygel than a soft polygel anyway. I just needed to get used to the polygel because this was my second time using the double dip polygel, but it was my first time using this pink polygel. Next, I cured for 30 seconds and did the same for the middle nail. Another problem I had is that the polygel looked so close in color to the practice hand, it was hard for me to see where the polygel actually was. Now I did the rest off camera and this is how they look. I even did the thumbnail and that's because I wanted to use most of the glitters in the kit because they are all so beautiful. On the pinky nail I start with the dark blue and I apply a small bead and pat that in place and then ombre the polygel over the pink area. The glitter isn't opaque, so you will see me adding some more glitter to the uncured polygel. Next, I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds and off camera I did do another layer on each of the nails just so that it can be more opaque. Now on the ring nail I'm using this pink glitter polygel which is also so pretty. On the middle nail, I'm using one of my favorite, which is the green polygel. This one is so nice. And if you all are watching this video, I'd like to say thank you for clicking on this video and watching it and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure and subscribe. Next, I'm using this light blue polygel, another pretty color. I just love the polygels in this kit. On the thumbnail, I'm using the rose gold glitter polygel. This is the first and maybe the last time I'll be doing the thumbnail of this practice hand because filing was so difficult. I only did it to show off a little more of the polygels, but I'm not going to make this a habit. It's too hard. Next, I'm using my Rosalind clear polygel to encapsulate all of the nails. This is after encapsulating all the nails. Now I'm using rubbing alcohol to remove the tacky layer, and then I began filing the nails. This is after filing all of the nails and they look so good. Next, I'm using my Bellavena top coat on all of the nails and I cure for 30 seconds. So the polygels are super pretty and really nice to work with. Who doesn't love glitters? So if you're interested in purchasing this kit, I will have a link below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.